Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to show you how to integrate your IoT platform with the Little Bear device. Additionally, how to integrate with the device. First, you need to create a device. In this device, you need to click on Online Debug. Add a test device. Start by naming the device and setting a device identifier. Then, it will generate the device ID and password for the device. You can access this website to retrieve the device ID and keys. By using these credentials, you can integrate with the IoT platform in your code. This refers to these sections in the code. Simply write the generated ID, etc. into it to achieve the integration. Two tasks are created within it. One main task and one sensor task. In this main task, you should first set your local Wi-Fi password. Then initialize the Wi-Fi connection and MQTT. In the second task, it's about receiving the respective information. These are some devices that we added ourselves. The device names and attributes, along with the commands and their titles below. The format of commands. After a successful compilation, select the burning file. Press the reset button on the development board once. Once the burning process is successful, disconnect the connection. Press the reset button. Little Bear Pi has successfully connected to the configured Wi-Fi network. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.